Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making an easy and delicious roast chicken dinner, and my family just loves it. This dinner was under $12 to prepare and cook, and everything that you see here, the pears that turned out super yummy, the chicken and the rice, and we also had a salad. That was all under $12. So you guys, if you want to make a quick and easy dinner that is healthy and not fast food, then keep on watching this video. So you guys, make sure that you wash your hands before you handle your food, before you start to prepare it, which I've already done. And now I'm just cutting open the package, and make sure you rinse your chicken really well and remove anything that might be inside, such as the gizzards or liver. So I took that out and I just patted it dry. Alright you guys, so I love using a minimal amount of spices, but it will still taste super yummy. First, I like to take some butter, and I take about 2 tablespoons and I melt the butter for about 10 seconds in the microwave. Then you just kind of spoon it all over or pour it all over, in my case here. Alright you guys, so I like to put fresh ground salt all over the chicken top. Then I like to get my pepper and I grind that all over the top as well. The next thing that I use is this Hungarian paprika. I found this over at my local store, Albertsons. I apologize guys, my battery died, but I also did put oregano on the top and some Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning. You guys, you want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 425 degrees and cook it for about an hour to an hour and a half. Make sure the juices run clear. Now in the meantime, while that's cooking up, I'm going to prepare our rice-a-roni, and that is going to be prepared exactly as the package directions state. So now I'm checking on the chicken, and make sure that you do not baste it, but do add water on the bottom of the pan. I usually add about 1/4 cup, just so that it doesn't dry up and it will get a perfectly crispy skin. And you guys, for dessert, I just decided to make some poached pears with apple juice, water, and I used a little bit of this Nature Nate's raw unfiltered honey on top. And then I cooked that for about 45 minutes on the stove top, simmered it on low. Make sure you add some cinnamon on top. It makes it taste so good. Here you go, you guys. After about an hour and a half, the chicken skin is perfectly crispy, the rice is cooked, the pears are almost done. They should be done right as we're finishing our dinner. We're also having a salad tonight, so I'm cutting up some cucumbers. My kids love cucumbers so much. We're trying to incorporate more salads every night because we have been so busy that it is hard to stop and eat a complete balanced meal. So we've been trying to at least have some steamed vegetables or salad every night. So I'm just checking up on the pears now, giving them a quick little stir while they continue cooking. You guys, I wish you could smell these pears. They smell so amazing, and they would be so perfect on top of a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So here's the completed dish, you guys. Everything turned out so good. The chicken was so delicious and so moist. The rice was perfect and cheesy, just like my daughter likes it. And also the salad was great too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys here next week. Bye bye.